Between oil changes, try to check your oil level regularly. This will help to avoid an uh-oh moment. It's easy to do. Here's how. Park your Subaru on a level surface and turn the engine off. After a few minutes, remove the dipstick, wipe it clean, and reinsert it. Pull it out and compare the oil level to the low and full tick marks on the dipstick. This level reads full. Check both sides of the stick and use only the lower reading. If you have this style of dipstick, read between the tick marks with the letters L and F. Here the level is low. If your level is low, open the filler cap and slowly add oil until it reaches the full mark on the dipstick. Be careful as you pour to not spill any. Then, make sure to store any unused oil in a safe place. We're here to help. Make it last.